अब ऑनरेबल डॉक्टर राम बैरन यादव, पूर्व राष्ट्रपति नेपाल, आपसे मेरा विनम्र अनुरोध है, आप पधारें और आकर अपना मुख्य अतिथि के तौर पर 2 शब्द हम सबके मध्य में कहें।
मैं नेपाल से जानकी दादी माँ को नेपाल की जनता और नेपाल के सरकार की ओर से आज उनका 100 वर्ष का जो हम लोग जन्म दिवस मना रहे हैं, हम शुभकामना, हम मुबारकबाद देने आए हैं। आप भारतवर्ष और संपूर्ण विश्व से भर से ब्रह्म कुमारी और ब्रह्म कुमार जो आए हैं, सब हम मिलकर के हम लोग उनको स्वस्थ जीवन और दीर्घ जीवन तो उनका है ही, फिर भी हम लोग कामना करें कि वो जो समाज सुधार के अभियान में जो लगे हुए हैं, इनके लिए ईश्वर उनको और भी स्वस्थ और दीर्घ जीवन दे, जिससे हम लोगों को मानव सुधार में आगे बढ़ने का प्रेरणा मिले। मैं नेपाल की जनता की ओर से 2 शब्द लिखकर लाया हूं। फॉर्मल रूप में वो मैं पढ़ करके 5-6 मिनट में समाप्त करना चाहता हूं। हम आप जानते हैं कि हिमालय के भूखंड में नेपाल और भारत में ऋषि मुनि हुआ करते थे, तपस्वी और तपस्विनी हुआ करती थी। लेकिन आज हमारे सामने जीता जागता एक तपस्विनी की मूर्ति के रूप में नहीं, जिंदा और हम लोगों को समाज सुधार में रास्ता दिखला रहे हैं। मैं उनका अभिनंदन करते हुए 2 शब्द नेपाल के ओर से लाया हूं। आप लोगों को 5 मिनट में पढ़कर सुनाऊंगा। रिवर्ड राजयोगिनी दादी हृदयमाया मोहिनी जी, Additional Chief of Brahma Kumaris, President of the inaugural session of the 100 years happy birthday celebration of the Rajyogini Dadi Janki. Revered Rajyogini Dadi Janki ji, Chief of the Brahma Kumaris, the symbol of spiritual love and happiness. Today, main focus of the program. Rajyogini brothers and sisters and all the honorable guests sitting in the dais, scholars, distinguished guests, and participants from Nepal and all over the world, colleagues, participants from Nepal, and all godly children present in the ceremony. First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the Brahma Kumari family for providing me this wonderful opportunity to participate in this very important event. I am very much happy to be here. I see a big Nepali team is here with you to share our joy and happiness in this memorable occasion. The hospitality accorded to us since our arrival here in this Shanti Bhavan complex has touched our heart and will remain as fondest memories of the visit. We also feel that the spiritual vibration one experiences here within this Tapo Bhumi is amazing. I also proudly remind our meeting, I feel only a person with divine blessing have such glorious, meaningful life. रिवार्ड राजयोगी दादी जानकी के बारे में हम लोग सुन चुके हैं, हम लोग जानते हैं. I also proudly remind our meeting with revered Rajyogini Dadi Hriday Mohini ji on the national launching of Platinum Jubilee program at the premises of Pashupatinath Temple in Kathmandu before 5 years. I highly appreciate the contribution of respected Rajyogini Dadi Janki in disseminating the divine knowledge all over the world through her uninterrupted and tireless effort. So far I know people within Brahmakumaris and outside feel a spiritual patronage of mature leadership with young spirit and enthusiasm. With young spirit and enthusiasm from Dadi Janki even at her 100 years of active life. Prajapita Brahmakumari Godly University, now under the dynamic leadership of Rajyogini Dadi Janki, is well known all over the world for the character building of the people through spiritual interaction and Raj Yoga meditation. Some year ago, आप लोगों को मृत्युंजय भाई साहब ने सुनाया, मैं 92 में मिनिस्टर था, हेल्थ मिनिस्टर. उस समय मैं अपने गांव में लोगों को समझा रहे थे कि तुम अल्कोहल छोड़ो, तुम बीड़ी सिगरेट छोड़ो. उस समय की बात मृत्युंजय भाई जी ने कहा, मैं आपको सुनाता हूं. Some years ago, I was about 3 decades before, I was trying to motivate our youngster at my village in Janakpur Dham, जो सीता का birthplace है, the birthplace of Sita, utilizing all means of modern science and modern philosophies against use of alcohol, smoking, and bad habit. I could not get impress youngster to drop the bad habits. But I was very much delighted with the performance of young Brahmakumaris sisters in the village to motivate the youth to abandon the bad habits like drinking alcohol, taking smoking cigarettes, bidi, khaini, etc. After their simple presentation of basic introduction of spiritual knowledge on soul, Supreme Soul, and world drama. From this experience, I felt there exists some extraordinary divinely power within Brahmakumari's movement, जो हम आप सभी देखते हैं. Modern civilization is facing the challenges from conflict within a person, in the family, among people, in the community, in society, and among countries all over the world. Modern society lacks the proper balance and coordination between material development and spirituality. I feel that the disorder in our society is due to the absence of spiritual empowerment of the people along with material development. Modern education imparts the knowledge on to do rather than to be. We could produce better technocrats, competent social scientists, proactive managers, and so on. The challenges rest in producing a good personality rather than producing a competent professional. The need of time is to educate our youngster with knowledge on moral values and their responsibility towards the society and community. I highly appreciate the endeavor of Brahma Kumaris to educate people on values and spirituality. Regular classes on spirituality and the uninterrupted practice of Raj Yoga meditation through the local Raj Yoga service centers all over the world have contributed to enhance the values in the society. Brahma Kumari is well known among the people who practice spirituality as one of the most organized spiritual institutions in the world, with a wonderful example of women empowerment. Nations should learn about the gender balance indeed from Brahma Kumari's movement. I must say that Brahma Kumari has contributed to create a new world order of purity, peace and prosperity through their motto of world transformation through self-transformation. The ray of hope is experienced in the daily activities of Brahma Kumaris in creating values based on society, where spiritual love, coordination, cooperation, and trust among the people is flourished. The cultural, here I must say, the cultural and social and economic relationship between the people of Nepal and India is from the beginning of civilization. An Indian national from Kanyakumari feels same happiness while his or her pilgrimages to Pashupatinath at Kathmandu as a Nepalese citizen feels proud to visit Badri and Kedar in the North India in the past and Madhuban Mount Abu, Rajasthan at present. Brahma Kumaris as an international spiritual organization is contributing to develop fraternity and solidarity among people not only of Nepal and India, but also to the whole humanity at the times of modern dilemma. Nepal experiences very healthy practice of spirituality through hundreds of Brahma Kumaris service centers all over the country, from plain to mountain and east to west. The Brahma Kumaris movement has been a milestone to maintain the spiritual awareness among the people through their number of activities in Nepalese society. Now, local government as well as the central government are working hands in hands with Brahma Kumaris to character building of the people of different sections of the society in Nepal. The ideals of Brahma Kumaris are well taken by the society in the whole Nepal. At the end, I would like to express my solidarity on the behalf of the people of Nepal, myself, my daughter, Miss Anita, she is present here, and Nepalese delegation to the mission of Brahma Kumaris to establish a new world order of purity, peace and prosperity. Once again, I would like to greet revered Rajyogini Dadi, Janki ji, on her happy birthday celebration. I thank you all for providing me this wonderful opportunity of real pilgrimage in my life. एक बार मैं फिर जानकी दादी को उनके जन्म दिवस के अवसर पर हजारों बार मुबारक देते हुए ओम शांति, नेपाल और भारत का दोस्ती अमर रहे। धन्यवाद।